Biakamal Nuer online TV channel ke jen gwas me gor jen o te ye lar lere me lere ma diwo je gor jen o de yen ling o mandana tore weekend se kanu lang bana rach ka ta danen chalre jen o shide che choban tam ka gala shel de je danen cha ja ka kirma yadit ka Ted Johnson ulun ke kong chorale ka ne de kokien te lanore te te tet na me gor jeno en wo beje nyaka ye kel anta danen le raja mo le roda kaja ko gor kono tilat ko rodin bana kalinga go ka dob dana be kaja so please nyaka ne ko ken mi jiram jidit gor no jin be subscribe ka bi notification bell be to ko mete mi shebrech mete ga ler mi sheben be sho mala shu buge gwaza danan payla rech gor kono de kon tilat ko rodin tama de kon kalingten lat ko rodin ka great apnal state chengten content work to goliang ka goro de ka linka do badanen de ka lat kija ngai kona gwano ka jan gwasme rai wecha ka so sudan tirik to ngante ka tinche ka men la kona lanwen bare ga me a different character koken ko ngai kona gwano kanetin be kaneti churde de alaka no be benang nan wara chikan be lora bang chikan be chimala na be no wonare ite ga mal bablan je tel mal bablan je ne ti be kan ke commercial ke vengeance ala beken ko beken bishol neken sheman la lingi shoot ko ci korcha to gane chol kan neken alo shiken beko tene de beken gapal de dong de la do ne ti beken war beken gapal taram beken apal so gorje en wo jin bi jalat widu ke bi jakaba waje me banyo ga yekelena no ko gor ko no banti kon lat ko den banaka linga gwa ka doba dana to ken keja gwaza me de ne kirma yadit shiga shop ka galashal shiga shop ka galashal the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force. Yala do shiga chuka gala shala riudian dial shiga chup. Agweelek force la de tat mend pin Johnson ulun, you know. Chup ala mulat kono SSPDF che shiga chup lat kon lo ti kong chorale teten kanete to ti Nuer ko ken tigatin to goro dong de rander ka ngajen no ne de ti ke ne de ken. Kani to continue on ke de chere which canasser no ko gor kono ban ngaja go eno kan force tin be re which canasser bi ngaja no kane ti churi aleka ti sha equip ni gwada dan bigatin kala dino biga na biga kan shikan bika kalwar bang so no mo gor je bi aja ngach ka bi aja kwingre wot no kun and wo mo tuwa kan tamare which canasser gor kondial gor je no banti dial kon lat ko din banakaling no ko gor kon liang an badan betu ko san betu tame ba kore dana ci tuok ba jelen ni kenyam ko ni ya nong ke ni dingwan more than 7,000 ke to ka 10,000 arms tete jejen bodung te ateten mo kon chola agweelek ne agweelek fo jaten edung tat pinya Johnson ulun te abichiok bateten abichiok ke de ni jane ke dinka arms militia metre which and winimi bone ne de content gang ke dinka ngok ko dinka ngok tingne kan Nuer so ne ti kan ko ne shikor ti kana gorno bi kana to kan Nuer tinte ga border la Nuer content re we can answer so shigimnen yen mo gwasa me raja me dara wo ko ke yendi ala no mele road de ko na ngaje no bo good wana den you know ko ken shikaben tene shela no shi korche to ko doma shi korche to tele korum chi to ko doma an wala tele kor du no bele network che mangai kone ko kende ni ngandi al shagari alaka nget karuden ko jel ken kamach ka bendi en che mangai kon chi gan ben kare yer ko re yer shakan chi baburi kan ben ko baburu bu ko kok bu ben ka pin ki bu jal ka shoken no mo kel kuma kirma yadi che gor ga jan gwaz men tamen wode maldara ben che mai kone so gor jan wo der te ke station ke barak re we kan nasser mila base dien ke der te ke base bako ulang lakin gang ke ni dinka ngok tin kon tiek ke nasser kan ulang gang ken ke jen la yana ne lakin je la kana deploy ko kujimi no ko jan do bran let ken chana right tin commandant ko runo ngano ngum gor kir ma yadi re we kan nasser chikon jigno nasser jen chirke border ke chirke mala shal ke no ronabat mi dub dial daga pintin chirke center lo jena center gen ka nasir jena dar mo ka kantin Nuer dial re ka istan jiken kelio so ko jen gwada na bi dub dial buga dak pinten na mo gor kire no da ja control je meje konling anyok ana mo men di long chi control ko da control ko nasir jen gwada na ne dial jen ten kia pot gang na din ka ngok ten konen tiek ke ulanka na nasir ka din ka ngok panken tele kare ka ne ko la Nuer ajene shaling me chang me shi jejin boriala no chang nyin ne ke SSPDF chine nyin ka ke ko ka jang nyin ne ka ke ko kan chikan gor no de kan man chine de man no go ne unify force de jeno re which nyin ne ka kuje mon ko chikan ling no so kuje mo de ne rajo mo de ne lat ya so man to ko tama re which kana se kan ulang alo kan force tati agweelek force SSPDF abichiok kan polten konen be tin ba Nuer ba ka ben mak re dorin ka ulang kan nasir der tuok gurun der tuok mol ka der tuok Nuer kwikeje ko right now kana pan tin content winte ti she ke malakal ki en gwada dan te tin ba lar kana gwa en go kono wene ko ne de ti tikin kane ti ngai ka pin tin Nuer bane ko tin Nuer tin special Nuer bin ti tin tin Nuer tin la Nuer jiken ba te tin content kula mat ke kume ko ngai kono no te ga Nuer cha jurbane te ci dier ba te ga danan te ka Nuer so man biya ngaje long medine jen let ken re ben ken tin be so non biya ngaj ram le re ben che japale ka by the way mi che tuok so ko kuju mo de yana me de yana lingono no ka dob dan tuok je gwada me chana mo right ke South Sudan security mechanism ken security arrangement te do me chala ge jen o de ne tin kon tila kware which ka South Sudan de karum ka jala ala South Sudan security ne ko la gang ne de content kwa security kwa jeri aleka no la dupin kon de security no ngere ka South Sudan gwada me man banyo ya ke man an tikana lat ka transitional government security committee ano kan de ka jek ka de kan right ka do badan de budget de aleka ja kana logistical arrangement do badan de kon dan de aleka ka queen and content tin cha ngeki tin de ngech ko de unify force de kule deploy kon unify force gwaseme gora kwen gora tungwan no ko gora mej bonate de kan krom ko tedien chala do de kan de kerum kanetin kontil peace building minister ki ramadan chal ke Stephen Farkol ramkel ka spele mayo chaja ngaje no chaja yen ko kor gwasan payo jena tam chala do ramkel kanetin kontin tinnon kamal so an malamo menon kene kini konde let ko de mal darben waram kel kaka so de yero dan celat gwas me de yen linko gor kono bantin kon lat ko de ban ka ngajen go ngumi chari aleka netin kontin la peace building ko de mal darbe wi ka South Sudan and transitional government me melet ko security ka you know la chirme jala receiven parkol chaje yen ko ninten payo chaje ling ka ram len jen kamal ko ran spele mayo ken jiken la no de ke jek neti ko ken ken ko do brana de unify force de jela let ke je ken yam unify force gor kon gor match gor te diala ko diala ko nda larm de lar ke je mitele ke don charge de deploy ke charge de la let chitmen linkona no minister pal shela ne ke Thursday ke changa wana no biga je ke joint defense board JDB biga je ke joint technical committee ba JTC anyok bigi nyawo je ke joint military ceasefire commission ne contain te wo cha me cha ga de gwal ki china de nyire wi ka South Sudan tek bigi ten bon ken bi ken la ke riga pai to la insecurity in pai to re which ka South Sudan chire man to ka greater penal state ken bigi nyutin ga do brand ye kap chon ka ja president Salva Kiir mayadit ba point jen national transitional committee no charam kel che kwanten ka team de kolma nyangjuk no jaram medan che kulat gwatut galwa ka quit transitional committee ke ne content national transitional committee te pinde no ka ne content security pinde che mele yentut galwa mani mele na ne la roje ka kudo badanan ba ken unify force ba la let ke je many time ne de ti bon let ken no ko dong de mal modern but kir me yadi che te dial che ka gagane so me peno de malder we woni amray we ka South Sudan beje kwen ye and security gana me ko biya de kula ling ba kwen ka to English ka do brand yen linga ja The Transitional Government Security Committee are set to meet soon to discuss work plan, budget, and logistical arrangement for the cantonment areas and deployment of the necessary unified forces, according to Peacebuilding Minister Stephen Parkour. Minister Parkour revealed on Thursday the conclusion of first meeting of the Joint Defense Board (JDB), Joint Technical Committee (JTC), and Joint Military Ceasefire Commission (JMCC). Seeing the recent insecurity in part of the country, we have just concluded the first meeting of the security mechanism (JDB, JTC, JMCC). We have introduced the mechanism to the new chair of the NTC. Par also, the Secretary General of the NTC, told the media, President Salva Kiir reconstituted the National Transitional Committee in January 2025 when he appointed Kwalmanyang Juk in the place of Tut Galwag Maneme as the mechanism new chairperson. The agenda of the meeting are report on the status of the containment, report on the status of the training centers, and their state of readiness for phase 2 to start in the training center and the cantonment. We also discuss issues pertaining to assembling of forces before they are transported to training centers and also logistical arrangement from the SSPDF barrack to the training. Honorable Par said the session called for another bigger meeting for head of various security mechanisms, including representatives from the SSPDF, SPLMIO, and SSOA, SWA, under the Joint Defense Board, JDB. Other key security bodies include to take part are Joint Military Ceasefire Commission, a Joint Transitional Security Committee, and Disarmament, Demoralization, and Reintegration Commission, as well as Strategic Defense and Security Review Board. The meeting concluded with the resolution that we will have another bigger meeting next week, where the head of the security mechanism will come with work plan, budget, proposal, and so on and so forth, and the NTC will also report on the logistical arrangement of the cantonment process. The 2018 peace deal stipulates that the training, graduation, and deployment of 83,000 security forces assembled from the party to ensure security and facilitate the country's peaceful transition to democracy through elections. However, seeing over 53,000 unified soldiers are drawn from former rival group were trained and graduated in August 2022, less than 10% of the forces has been deployed, according to the latest report of Ceasefire Monitor. The Security Committee meeting aimed to speed up implementation of the security arrangement follows the conflict in Upper Nile State, which has been linked to a political tension and arrest of several SPLMIO security officials in Juba. Bill Palm has revealed that Deputy Director General for Operation National Security Service, Lieutenant General Ye Dak, has fled Juba to Jonglei State after the detention of Deputy Chief Defense Forces Gabriel Duoblam and other officials. On Wednesday, IGAD Executive Secretary Dr. Workne Gebeyu informed regional leader in a report at the 43rd Summit that the South Sudan presidency mutual confidence was gravely undermined and the security arrangement mechanism were in disuse. The diplomat added that progress on critical reform in the peace deal, including drafting of a new constitution and preparation for election, remain stalled. The IGAD official advised that the Joint Defense Board by promptly reconvene to address contentious deployment and oversees the safe withdrawal of force in coordination with UNIMIS.